Acer Predator Helios 300 Gaming Laptop G3-572-7526. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I don't normally gush too much about products, so few deserve it. This laptop, however, has really hit the mark as far as I'm concerned. I wanted a laptop I could use for video, music whilst I paint, to play slightly out-of-date games, and if it suits me, maybe dig back into some coding stuff for Arduino. It has excelled in every aspect I had hoped for. I'm severely disabled, so things like laptop are actually vital to me. That's my communication link to the outside world, my main source of entertainment, news, you name it. The screen is generously sized. Someone or like several really took the time to study and figure out a reasonable, but not too big or too small a screen size for idiots like me that want to sit and geek a lot. The sound is excellent. The onboard peripherals are spot on for the price and the excellent quality you get. This is really a total no-brainer buy. When this one dies, I'll be looking at what Acer is offering again. But I suspect this'll last for at least another year and still be just fine for most my needs. Everything is great on it. Except the speakers on this laptop needs to go. Usually I do not like music up during gaming, but when I watch movies, I expect at least decent sound. The best way I can describe the sound is imagine you are at the very top row of a stadium and all you can hear is the sound of the crowd and you can barely make out what the announcers are saying. I have to turn volume into the 60% or higher to bear with it. I haven't tried switching to headphones, but if you just listen off the speakers from the laptop, that is what you are going to get. I've been using it religiously for a few months. Let's just say I've been trying to push it to the limit and haven't found the limit yet. Bear in mind, I don't play the newest, brand new games. However, I have been playing Fallout 4, Borderlands 2, using FL Studio 10 to record music using a few VSTs that require tons of RAM, and I have yet to run into any malfunction or speed issues. Yes, this is a great laptop for a power user. No, I can't verify that it works with the most graphics-intense games released in 2019, but dude, if I can run Skyrim, Fallout, Borderlands, you should be good. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.